Beep beep everyone. I recorded this video several days ago, and I actually did a marathon of a dozen videos, and the audio kicked out on me. And that was very disappointing, so I'm doing a voiceover, and I can't really redo the video because, well, once you open the packs, you can't put the cards back in and do it again. So here we are, we're opening up 2022 Donruss, and there are 12. I'm trying to read this while I'm bouncing the box around. So as you can see, this is going to be a very unusual video. And the other difficulty I may have is lining this up with the video, because there's going to be a WAV file. I have to bring it into my OpenShot video editor. There we go, 12 megabucks exclusive, and I just turned the box over trying to open it. Pardon me. So if you read that, this whole thing is just really screwy. But instead of throwing the video away, I thought I would at least try to save it in some form. So there we go, retro 1988 signatures, pink fireworks parallels. 12 hollow pink and 12 pink fireworks parallels per box on average. So I don't know what happened to the audio. It turns out I have some debris inside my lightning port on my phone, and I managed to clean it out. I did a test run, and it seems to work again. Before the foreseeable future, the next dozen or so videos will have voiceovers. There are all the odds. You can pause the video at this point and look at them if you so desire. And I am pretty sure that I'll give you the odds that show up on the packs, which will probably be the same that's on the box. So here we are. My prediction came true. Nice, isn't it? Anyway, while I'm showing you the odds, the word of the day is parking. And I have to use the word parking in a sentence. And the sentence is: a family of parking meters burn their bean vat with pedal smoke. All right, first pack. And what we have is Nolan Ryan, which I'm sure I was pretty excited about when I first opened this up and this was on the top. There's what the back of the cards look like. And hopefully my audio won't be out of sync with the video. I mean, I do have some experience with audio because I have my own music project. But it will be pretty funny if I'm talking about Framber Valdez while we're looking at Ketel Marte, which has just shown up, and there's Nicky Lopez and Isaiah Kiner-Falefa, if I pronounced that correctly. Nice photo shot with the ball in midair levitating in front of him. There's Logan Webb on the 88 retro design. And there's the back of the retro design. And there's Frank Schwindel and Josh Donaldson, who I believe I mispronounced on the original audio. Juan Soto, who just got traded to the Padres not that long ago. Sandy Alcantara, who's having a great season this year. Andre Jackson, rated rookie. Diamond Kings, Rafael Devers. And there's Shane Baz, rated rookie. And Ketel Marte again, this time in Diamond Kings format. There's Nolan Arenado with some kind of special parallel. Looks like Statue of Liberties around the border. I'm not sure what that's called. I know there's such a thing as an Independence Day parallel, but I think the Independence Day parallel has stars, so I don't know what this one's called. If you do, please leave a comment. And we're on to our pink parallels with Julio Urias, or Urias, I'm not sure how that's pronounced. And the pink parallels also show up in the 88 retro style with Nelson Cruz here pointing up at the sky at a UFO he's just spotted. And here's Vladimir Guerrero and an insert card, Bomb Squad. And this is the fireworks parallel, and it is hypnotizing me. Uh-oh. Buck, 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 buck. Buck, 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 buck. Buck, 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 buck. Oh, sorry about that. Looked like there was some corner damage down there. Buck, 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 buck. Buck, 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 buck. Shohei Ohtani. Buck, 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 buck. With a bear chasing him. Oh. Boy, those parallels make you hypnotized. This is probably the dumbest thing I've ever done. Burt Blyleven. Now, I hold on to this card for a while because I'm telling you in the original video a story of seeing an interview of him, I think in the 1980s, and I think it was one of those Baseball Weekly videos or something. And during the interview, Burt Blyleven was picking his nose the entire time. If Burt Blyleven were a relief pitcher, he'd fit right in with that crew. As you know, relief pitchers, well, back when I was following baseball in the 80s, they were quite an odd group of folks. I remember one of them shaved half their beard and mustache off and had half the face shaven and half unshaven. I think Burt would have fit in with that crew. And there's Freddie Freeman and Hall of Famer Barry Larkin. And we have to see the back of Barry Larkin now. And there's Kenley Jansen, who's talking to himself on the field. Which is perfectly fine because I talk to myself a lot too. Mike Yastrzemski, grandson of Carl. Look, they managed to fit his entire name on the back of that uniform. There's Zach Wheeler and Dylan Carlson. Kevin Gausman. And there's a long pause, and I'm not sure what we're pausing for. While we look at Kevin Gausman's butt. Okay. I'm not sure what I was doing there, why it was taking so long to get through this one card. Kyle Hendricks. Joe Adele's got a scratch on his back he's trying to reach. Or I mean an itch on his back. AJ Alexi, rated rookie. And Randy Arozarena, who just spotted, he looks like he's on the movie Independence Day when you first spot that giant craft in the sky. Colton Welker, rated rookie. Corbin Burns, Diamond Kings. And this might be the Independence Day parallel for Matt Chapman. As you can see there, it's a blue border with white stars on it. And I'm checking to see if it's numbered, and it isn't. And a pink parallel of Joey Votto. That's not numbered. Diamond Kings Jose Ramirez, also a pink parallel. And here's the fireworks parallels. And I'm getting hypnotized again. Jazz Chisholm. Buck, 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 buck. Buck, 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 buck. Gravy Moreno, rated risk prospect. Buck, 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 buck. Boy, those are hypnotizing. Holy crap. Now we're struggling to get a pack open, which is like the overarching theme of this channel, trying to get these things open. And we see Tyler Mall, I believe that's pronounced. Tyler, please leave a comment if I mispronounced your name. Shane Bieber. Chris Bassett. Liam Hendricks. Yu Darvish. Sean Manea. Noah Syndergaard, who was recently traded to the Phillies, I believe. Freddie Peralta. Nathan Eovaldi. That's a really curious last name. Frankie Montas. Spencer Strider, rated rookie. And here's Babe Ruth in a Boston uniform, pitching, which is curious because I don't think I've ever seen a card of him displayed as a pitcher. And we all know he started his career as one. And I checking on the back, I'm pointing to the P. I noticed too on the first video, there 94 and 46, 2.28. He was one heck of a pitcher before the Yankees converted him into a full-time starter. I think I'm keep pointing at that 2.28, so I must have been impressed with that. And yeah, it's a great earned run average. So we're still discussing Babe Ruth, and now we've moved on to Reese Nair, rated rookie. And Ronald Acuna Jr., Diamond Kings. And here's Rod Carew. And it's numbered. Rod Carew was one of my favorite players growing up. And this pictures him when he was with the Twins. And it looks like the card is numbered out of 328. And if I would move my thumb, we could see what the first number is. Pardon me. Yeah, we're still waiting for that thumb to move, bud. Okay, it looks like 116. And there's a sort of a poor close-up of it. So that's a really cool hit. And I'm going to attempt to put it back there. I know I need to buy some of those plastic thingies if I want to do that correctly. Pink parallel of Anthony DeSclafani. And we not sure what we're doing there. Herman Marquez. Hopefully I pronounced that correctly. And we're off to the fireworks parallels again. And I'm going to close my eyes so I don't get hypnotized. Max Scherzer. Oh no. Oh, close my eyes. Oh, jeez. It's too early in the morning to be making chicken sounds. All right, we've got, this is our, I don't remember what number pack we're on, but it's Vladimir Guerrero Jr. And he's followed by his teammate, Bo Bichette. And I seem to be lost at this point, I don't know what I'm talking about. John Means, who looks kind of mean with the face he's making there, if you can see that. Heimer Candelario, I hope I pronounced that right. If not, please leave a comment, especially if you are that player. Kyle Schwarber. And Hall of Famer Johnny Bench. And I'd have to say that's a pretty nice photo of him. And there's Nelson Cruz looking up at a UFO again. Or a swarm of dish rags. Herman Marquez. And Hall of Famer Craig Biggio. There's Jesse Winker. And Josiah Gray, rated rookie. Followed by Yordan Alvarez. And Jake Berger, rated rookie. So I'm not sure why I'm pausing here. It might be the fact that I think there might be a player out there with the last name Hot Dog to go with Burger. Pete Alonso, Kyle Muller, rated rookie. Giancarlo Stanton, pink parallel. Brian De La Cruz, rated rookie. And Ken Griffey, being attacked by a bear. And I'm looking up at the bear to keep myself from being hypnotized and making chicken sounds. Oh, this is kind of hard to do. Bark, 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 bark. Miguel Cabrera. Elite Series. Bark, 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 bark. Are these fireworks? Bark, 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 bark. Oh, jeez. I think I was checking to see that it's ES11. That's some sort of insert that we previously looked at. So the fireworks parallels are at the end of each pack. So I'm just going to have to sort of like squint out of one eye so to keep myself from making chicken sounds. This is embarrassing. Anyway, here's Hall of Famer George Brett. Looking behind him to see why he's being followed by, you would want to say whatever the Royals mascot is, which I don't know, but it's probably a washing machine with wheels and a steering wheel that's following him around the field. And we're still waiting for the next card, bud. Yeah, I must have been talking about something there. Still talking about George Brett. Maybe I'm talking about the year he hit 390. Because I do remember the newspapers were covering it, or were covering that even in Philadelphia. And there's Hall of Famer Joe Morgan. That's the sad thing about losing the audio, is you lose the spontaneity of all of this. Omar Narvaez. I hope I pronounced that right. Omar, leave a comment, please, if I didn't. And there's Aaron Judge, who at the time I shot this video had 42 homers. And at the time of the voiceover, he has 44 and is on pace for over 60 if he continues. And I guess we're still talking about Aaron Judge here. Yeah, we're still talking about Aaron Judge. Now we've moved on to Charlie Blackmon, who has an incredibly large beard. And I imagine he loses food in that throughout the day and probably has a nice snack after the game. Nolan Arenado, who's having a great year. And here's Babe Ruth again, and this time he's in a Yankees uniform with a bat in his hand. So there are two Babe Ruths in this set, which is really cool. One is a pitcher and one is a hitter, outfielder. And you can see in the back they used OF instead of P there. And there's Patrick Wisdom and Rafael Devers, Brandon Belt, and Luis Robert on the Diamond Kings format, followed by Edward Cabrera, rated rookie, and Waltham, which I believe is Kyle Schwarber. So this must be a name variation. And I believe it's the first one we've seen in this box. And I think I'm still trying to figure out what Waltham is. That's the fortunate thing about voiceover, is you come in with a little more information when you started. And Rodolfo Castro is upside down. And Hot Dog, it's an auto. 66 out of 99. So I'm not sure who Rodolfo Castro is. And unfortunately, it looks like there's a corner ding on this. Nevertheless, we'll put it up here with Rod Carew as our second numbered card of the box. And we're off to pink parallels, Marcus Semien and Hall of Famer Craig Biggio. And I'm going to close my eyes so you can read the names next, because I'm tired of making chicken sounds. Oh, I'm still on one, and it's Wander Franco, trending. Oh, stop turning it around. Buck, 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 buck. I'm hypnotized again, making chicken noises. Buck, 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 buck. Buck, 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 buck. Buck, 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 Wander Franco. Now I sound like a turkey. I just turned away for a second. I guess in real hypnotism, you can't just turn yourself away and stop being hypnotized, but in this video, I am. And we're on our last pack, so that was pretty cool getting a Wander Franco, who was really hot potatoes earlier in the year and has been since injured. Cal Quantrill, Charlie Morton, Ian Happ, Clayton Kershaw, Francisco Lindor, who's looking up at the sky at the same UFO Nelson Cruz saw, Yadier Molina, who's definitely a Hall of Fame candidate, Jake Cronenworth. There's Vladimir Guerrero Sr., so father and son are in here, and he has some kind of black gook all over his helmet. And I'm not sure why we're looking at the back of the card, but there's that gook all over his helmet. Not sure how he got that on there. Ian Anderson, Brandon Lowe, Diamond Kings, John Heasley, rated rookie, Brian Reynolds, Diamond Kings, Taylor McGill, rated rookie, Luis Robert, Diamond Kings. And there's Max Fried on the pink parallel. I want to say Fried, but it's Fried, I believe. And there's a name variation for Fernando Tatis, Nando, on a pink parallel, which is a pretty cool card. Again, these cards are not numbered. And I am going to put my hand over my eyes and just peek out the side and see Aaron Judge, Bomb Squad, on a fireworks parallel. And I'm going to hope that I don't become a chicken again by looking at these hypnotizing fireworks. And we've moved on, and it's an Unleashed of Vladimir Guerrero Sr. I'm looking up at the bear because there's less fireworks up there for whatever reason. Oh, phew. Got out of that one without making a chicken sound. So I'm looking down, and I've got 2609 out of 2727, so I must be doing a recap of the set or discussing something. So I'm going to try my best to get this voiceover synced up, but as you can imagine, the video and the audio may be going at different speeds, and I don't have a significant piece of software where I can do it in the same piece of software, so we'll see how this goes. I may look for something and maybe we'll improve as the videos go along. Now, I think I'm talking about the peculiar design of these cards. They're very geometrical, and I think I like the 2020 design better than the 2021, but still I think it's a really nice set of cards. All right, it looks like we have about 15 seconds left, so thank you for watching. I'm sorry about the technical problems. You all have a nice day now. Beep beep, everybody. And that's the end of the video.